Good afternoon, guys. My name is Nigel Stevens. This is a September 2015 65 registered, importantly Euro 6 Range Rover Sport 3-litre SDV6 HSE, finished in Loire blue with ivory leather. Car's come to me via an old client of mine. I've been in the industry nearly 40 years. I buy all of Paul's cars from him. He's very fastidious. He's owned this car a couple of years. I think it's 6 or 7 Land Rover services to Land Rover spec. It's had a cam belt done at 66,000 miles. Guys, this car unbelievably has done a smidge over 90,000 miles. Puts it into a great price range. 3-owner car, Paul, and there's a lady before him who bought it from a Land Rover main agent at £49,000 in 2018. So you can see today, price asked, these are absolutely a phenomenal bargain in my opinion. Purpose of the video is to take you around the car and tell you a little bit about Oakwoods. It's coming onto the front bumper apron. I mean, obviously guys, car's 10 years old, 90,000 miles now. You're gonna have to forgive it the odd used car blemish and stone chip, but in the round presents, in my opinion, above average. On this age related number, we've got a V5 2 keys for it, but you're gonna have to be accepting of this sort of stuff, guys, yeah, at this price point, okay? Headlamp bezels clean and tidy, obviously xenon headlamps. Nice set of matching Pirelli Scorpion tyres all the way around. I'll show you those in detail shortly. Leading edges clean and tidy. L'Oreal blue, beautiful colour combination this. With a contrast black roof, black grills, heated screen, a couple of minor stone chips, no serious bite, walk away from the car for it. I've got 2 keys there for it, guys. Fixed panoramic glass roof mounted in that metallic black roof there, power folding mirrors, and as I said earlier in the video, importantly this car is Euro 6, so you can use it in town. Still looks a lot of money to me in my opinion. Up onto the front wing, on the passenger side, that's all clean and tidy. The alloys are in good order, guys. Red brake, Brembo brake calipers, so uprated brakes, and as I said, the car's got a matching set of Pirelli P Scorpions at about 5-6 mil. Read the reviews on these guys, they get good reviews, and again, there's a big audience for this car now at this price point. Up onto the front wing, on the driver's side, clean and tidy. That alloy is in good condition. That Pirelli Scorpion is probably 6 mil. Onto the driver's side, keyless go, power fold mirrors, factory privacy, driver's rear door, rear quarter, all looks to be in fine fettle. That alloy is in good condition. 21-inch wheels, guys, I think it was an upgrade. That tyre is about 5-6 mil. Inside, the car's beautiful. Paul's a non-smoker. I don't know about the lady before him, but there's no bad odours in here. We've got ivory leather with ivory roof lining, ivory blind, fixed panoramic sunroof, piano black interior trim pack. As I say, 6 or 7 services, cam belt done at 66,000 miles, exactly as you'd want to buy your used Range Rover Sport HSE. Car's got a Land Rover factory fit electric deployable tow bar, which all works, guys. It's on the photographs. I put it away for the sake of this video, but you can just see in good order. I drive everything 100 miles minimum. I also go around and leather the car off, so I know the car's paintwork, and this is in, you know, good condition, very good condition. Car leaves me with a 3-month dealer guarantee, guys. As I say, I road test them for 100 miles to make sure that we don't have any after sales issues, which can be a problem for both of us, obviously. And it leaves me with a 14-day money back program to match the online providers. So that's so if you don't like the car, I'll fully refund you within 14 days. There is some costs attached to mileage to protect me against foul play, obviously, but that's a 14-day genuine money back offer. I love part exchanges, so if you've got a nice part exchange, speak to me about that. I'll have the biggest check for a nice car. It may not be as nice as this car, but it'll be a good offer. And whilst I'm, you know, haven't got expensive premises, I run a very cost-effective delivery service anywhere in the UK. So let me know your postcode. Let me know if you've got a part exchange, and I'll put some costs together for you to get this car to your front door. But down the passenger line's all clean and tidy. That alloy is all as it should be. That's the last of the matching Scorpions at 6 mil. But you can just see in lovely condition. I'll put the details of all the servicing, guys, on the advert. Okay, we've got a full handbook pack there. We've got 2 keys. This is the bill of sale, selling it to the lady in Hampshire in 2018 at near on £50,000, done 24,000 miles. We've got all the MOTs, but it's last serviced and MOT'd in December 2023. Sorry, 2024. And then it's had brakes recently as well, but I put it all in the advert. But it's a full service history car with loads of invoices from RCV, which you can review when you get to see the motor car. I'll start it up for you. As I say, I've done 100 miles in it, drives perfectly. I've owned lots of Range Rovers, so I know them relatively well, and I know what to look for in terms of failures. But you can just see, all in beautiful condition. Seat bolster, not showing signs of the 90,000 miles covered. All the air suspension works, guys. Got heated seats, we've got rear camera, the deployable electric tow bar that we've talked about. There's no warning lights on, cruise control. So there we go. Guys, I get there's a few Range Rover Sports for sale. I also understand price is important, but I think just as important as price is what you buy, and this is a particularly nice motor car, and where you buy it from. You know, there's no substitute for experience. I've been in the motor industry 40 years, so I know what I'm talking about. I've bought and sold lots of motor cars, and my job of work is really to supply nice cars to nice people. So if you're looking for a nice Range Rover Sport this weekend, my name's Nigel, the company's Oakwoods. I'm based just out on the outskirts of Sevenoaks in Kent. Give me a call. Thanks for watching.